Hello world, here I am again with another project. I've been doing personal projects since I have so much free time. It's because I'm unemployed. Haha. In this video, I'm going to make a 13.3-inch self-contained graphics tablet that can run macOS Monterey. I think it's a more practical form factor than the handheld build. Yes, I am familiar with the Actiotron modbook, but that's not DIY. Also, can you run macOS Monterey on it? By the way, I just recently made a Buy Me a Coffee page. If you want to see more projects like this, you can support me there. Anyway, let's go. We are going to build the project around this graphics tablet. It's a Canvas 13. What I like about this is that it has an HDMI input which I will utilize. No, this was not sent by anybody. I bought it on my own. What is sponsored though is this LattePanda Alpha. It was sent by DF Robot for free as they saw my macOS Big Sur handheld build. I'll put the product link on the video description. So thank you to DF Robot for sending this. It will be awesome if maybe more companies or people send me free stuff for projects. As for the installation of macOS Monterey, I am going to use the OpenCore Dortania guide. This time, I will use an SSD with a larger capacity. For the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, I bought another BCM94352Z card. Maybe you are wondering, how am I going to power the LattePanda Alpha alongside the Canvas 13 graphics tablet? Yes, I'm not going to use the built-in battery connector of the LattePanda Alpha, but instead, I bought this Open UPS2. It can output 12 volts and I will power it with that. The LattePanda Alpha has a 12 volt input connector here, and I'll regulate the 12 volts down to 5 volts for the Canvas 13 with this. The USB connection for the graphics tablet and the Open UPS2 will go to the internal USB header of the SBC through this USB hub. Okay, let's proceed to the case. I was expecting that there are 4 screws on the rubber feet of the graphics tablet, but there are only 2. So I thought of a workaround to combine the graphics tablet to the bottom of the project case. Either way, the bottom part of the case was split into 3 as my Ender 5 Plus here cannot print the whole thing. Enough of the chit chat, let's build the project. The speed of the fans here is automatically controlled. I made a simple Python script that will read the current CPU temperature and adjust the speed of the fans with the built-in Arduino Leonardo of the LattePanda Alpha. The battery life of the project is okay. I can always add a bigger battery, but that would make it heavier. Yes, there are no built-in speakers. Maybe I'll add one if there's an iteration of this project. Maybe I'll make it slimmer too. Okay, let's see the project in action. Let's turn the LattePanda Alpha on and the Canvas 13. I'm not going to cut the video. Let's see it boot in real time. I'm going to log in with this fingerprint sensor. Now that we are logged in, let's try to use GIMP. I'm just going to write the word art. There, art. Haha. Also, have you noticed that the battery icon is working? That's because the Open UPS2 has a gauge IC and it's a USB HID compliant UPS. Yeah, touching it does not work. You have to use the pen. There are graphics tablet with multi-touch though. Maybe a company or someone can send one. Haha. I actually don't have programs that are used by many macOS users. That's because I'm actually a Windows and maybe a Linux user. Here comes the I'd like to interject for a moment memes. Why bother making that? Just buy an iPad instead. You can also run macOS on the iPad. Oh wait, you can't. No, it's not for sale. I just built it for fun. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.